9.2 Parbolas Part 2. We're going to use the same formulas we came up with before to write the equation given the focus. And you already know the vertex is, for all these, for today, until Monday, when we start translating them, is always 0, 0. So if all I need to do is tell you where the focus is, and you should be able to come up with the equation. Because you know, if I tell you the focus is -2, 0, so first example, then you know the focus is P0 from your equations. So so P equals -2 if you just match it up. P equals -2. Or if we looked at a picture, -2, 0 is the focus. If we know that, and we know the vertex is here, we know it opens this way if we were to sketch it, and we know this line is right here on the opposite side, the directrix. So if I tell you where the focus is, you know everything else. You know P is -2, so 4P is 4 times -2, or -8. And since it opens, horizontally, it's y squared equals 4p -8x, 4px. So that's the equation. Let's try this one. If I tell you the focus is at 0, 3. So right away you know it opens up because the focus is along the y-axis, and it always opens in the direction of the focus. So the focus point is 0, 3 is right here. You know the vertex is here, so you know it kind of opens like that. You know that this is what I want you to sketch in the worksheet. The directrix is on the other side, equidistant. And so focus for this is, from your formulas, is 0p, so just match it up. P is 3, which means 4p is 12, so it's x squared this time. Since it opens along the y direction, x squared equals 4py. So you'll either be asked to do that, or if I just tell you the directrix, you should be able to come up with the equation. Because, okay, so the other thing is, write the equation given the directrix. So example 3, let's say I say the directrix is y equals 2. So you're going to sketch it anyway, so let's start by sketching it. That means that the directrix is a horizontal line. You should know y equals 2 is a horizontal line. The vertex of your parabola is at 0, 0, because they all are, and the focus point is on the other side, equidistant. So you know it opens down. So that's the sketch. You know from your formula sheet that, yeah, it's the opposite, because the directrix for this is y equals opposite p, so p is -2, just matching it up. So therefore 4p is -8, so your equation is x squared equals -8y. And let's do one last example with the same kind of objective. Number 4, let's say your directrix is at x equals 4. Directrix is at x equals 4. So we go like this. We sketch x equals 4. We know the vertex is here. We know the focus point is equidistant on the opposite side. This is going to be a narrower. And so it has to open this way. So P is the opposite. P is negative 4. So 4P is negative 16. So you get y squared equals negative 16x. So I do want to sketch for all these so that I know you can visualize what's happening. And